So most of the times you'll be given the diagram and asked to name it. But sometimes you'll be given the molecular formula and asked to draw the structural formula, like the structure of the molecule. So to draw the structure is very easy. Another advantage of knowing how to draw the structure is that if you can draw the structure, it will be easier for you to name an already drawn structure. I hope I'm clear. So if you have to draw butane now, all you have to do is just to write out the number of carbon first. You know butane is 4 carbon, so write out the number of carbon 4. So we have 4 carbon. Now we have 10 hydrogens. Now we'll fix our 10 hydrogen around this carbon. One thing you should note whenever you are drawing organic compound is that carbon will always take 4 bonds. Nothing less than 4 bonds, nothing more than 4 bonds. Whenever you draw your structure and you see that carbon is taking 3 bonds instead of 4 bonds, you are wrong. Whenever carbon is taking 5 bonds instead of 4 bonds, you are wrong. Carbon must always take 4 bonds. So if you look at it now, we're doing 4 hydrogen, hydrogen. Now we already have 8 hydrogen, and here we have 10. So write another 8 here. So we already have 10 hydrogen surrounding this all the carbon. So it's 4 carbon, 10 hydrogen. Our social formula is balanced. So for our butene here, butene will definitely have a double bond. So for it to be thin, that means the double bond is on the first carbon. I hope I'm clear. So if it's on the second carbon, it will have been written here but 2 in or 2 butene. If it's on the third carbon, it will have been written. So now it's on the first carbon since there's nothing written here. I hope I'm clear. So we draw our carbon 4 carbon, and because it's in, that means there's a double bond on the first carbon. Now we can start our first carbon from here or from here. Let's just take it from here. So now we fill in our hydrogen, and now one thing you should know is that this hydrogen has 4 bonds. One, two, three, four. This one is complete. One, two, three, four. This one is complete. One, two, three, four, five. As you can see, we are not supposed to have a hydrogen here, so there's not supposed to be any hydrogen here. One, two, three, four. Right? Now this one also. One, two, three, four. As you can see, one, two, three, four. That means we don't need any other hydrogen here. So this is balanced. There's not supposed to be any hydrogen here. So this is the structure of butane. Now for our butane now, we draw it again. One, two, three, four. So there's supposed to be a triple bond on the first carbon. This is why I agree that it's first carbon, because they just write ion here. Same thing as writing but one ion. If it's supposed to be on the second carbon, they will have given us but two ion here. But since they did not write anything, that means they're telling us that it's on the first carbon. So you can start your first carbon from here or from here. So let's take our first carbon let's take it from here now. So we have three bond here. So since we have three bond here, that means this carbon only needs one more hydrogen. It cannot take two hydrogen unless we have more than 5 bonds. So let's just give it one hydrogen here. I hope I'm clear. So this one also already has three hydrogen here and one here. So this one cannot take any more hydrogen. Now this one has only one here. So it needs two more hydrogen. This one has one here. That means it needs three more hydrogen. So with that, we filled up our structural formula for butane. And in some condensed structural formula, you not see this form. They'll just write this one. This is CH3, right? So they write CH3, then this is CH2, then this is C, then this is CH. So this is also a formula for butane. It's called the condensed structural formula for butane. So if you see this form or this form or this form, they are still referring to the same thing. I hope I'm clear. So this one also they can write it this format. So how will you write it? This will be CH. Sorry, let me write it CH. Uh, sorry, CH2, then CH, then CH2, then CH3. So this is the condensed structural formula for butane. We can also do the same thing for butane. So this is just the basic for every other molecule you are going to be drawing. Probably alkanol, amine, amide, alkanoic, keton, or aldehyde. This is just the basic structure. You know that your carbon will always take 4. It cannot take more than 4. It cannot take less than 4. So with that, you can fill up other substituent elements. I hope I'm clear. So that's on that for drawing organic compounds.